at jail. The bird that jails would be a lyrebird, thinking it can fly above us all. Delusion of a greatness never heard, looking down like it can never fall. Smoking that meth, talking to itself for days on end, it never seems to sleep. Send some of us around the bed while it digs itself in deeper deep. You can try to correct it, but that makes you the target. Best thing you can do sometimes is sit back in the shadows and listen. Birds that jail, birds that lie, flapping wings but never fly, talking loud beneath the sky, 3 days away. Do you feel alive? Smoke, smoke all day long, thinking everything they say is strong. Lyrebird, where did you go? Lost in a world that nobody knows. Sometimes you wanna walk away, 'cause all that talk ain't chalk on the wall. Some of the words that tumble out can sound like truth when you hear them all. They think they're smarter than those around, but all that meth is turned ways unsound. Every thought becomes a battle cry, every stranger is another lie. A lyrebird that talks all day, all of us just wanna walk away. Birds that jail, birds that lie, flapping wings but never fly, talking loud beneath the sky, 3 days away. Do you feel alive? Smoke, smoke all day long, thinking everything they say is strong. Lyrebird, where did you go? Lost in a world that nobody knows. 3 days of no sleep. Do you feel like a sheep? A diet of drugs keeps the weight off, looking so good, but you just wanna get off. Smoke, smoke all day long, keeps the dentist thinking something's wrong. You need to see us, they say, but you don't wanna get off that bus today. The stories that bind you are keeping you blind, selling yourself like it's somehow so kind, but not to the ones that you wanted to keep blind. They're watching the bird lose its mind, looking good with no teeth, a smile that's gone underneath, and the others look on, thinking quietly to themselves. All the while that has been lost, all the years that have been tossed, for the bird that thought it knew everything that it was flying through. Birds that jail, birds that lie, flapping wings jail.